Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. If you love spicy fish recipes with a rich tangy masala, this traditional fish masala fry is sure to become a family favorite. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for fish masala fry. This authentic fish masala fry is made with fresh mackerels, also called Bangda, that's lightly fried and then simmered in a flavorful masala. The result is a delicious dish with perfectly cooked fish coated in a rich aromatic masala that's full of flavor in every bite. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious fish masala fry. Step 1. Marinating the fish. We have taken 2 mackerels, also called Bangdas. Wash and clean the fish. To learn how to clean mackerels or Bangdas, refer to step 1 of our crispy Goan Bangda Rava fry recipe, the link for which is displayed on the top right hand corner of your screen now and is also given in the description box. Clean the fish and make cuts on both the sides of the fish, the way I have done. You will need half teaspoon of salt for both the fish. Put quarter teaspoon on one side and save the remaining for the other side. Put quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder but keep some to be applied on the other side. Ensure it is applied properly. Turn both the fish and now add the remaining turmeric or haldi powder. Apply it properly. Also add the remaining salt. Rub it nicely into the cuts and also inside the fish. Keep the marinated fish aside for at least 15 minutes. Marinated fish is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take half-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Soak the tamarind in quarter cup or 60 ml of warm water for 15 minutes. Take 1 small onion. Cut it very fine. Quarter-inch piece of ginger. Cut it like the way I have done. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut it like the way I have done. 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Take 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Frying the fish. Place an open thick bottom pan on medium heat. Add cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated fish and let it fry undisturbed. After around 2 minutes, turn them over and then cook the other side for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, remove the fish. Fried fish is partially ready. Step 4. Preparing the fish masala fry. On medium heat in the same pan, add the garlic pieces. Stir it nicely. Add the ginger pieces. Stir it nicely. After around a minute, add the finely cut onion. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After around a minute, add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir everything properly. After around a minute, add the coriander powder. Also add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the Kashmiri red chilli powder. Squeeze out all the pulp from the tamarind and discard the seeds and leftover fibers and then add the tamarind pulp. Add 2 tablespoons of water in the bowl which had the marinated fish. Add it now. Mix everything nicely. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of water. Mix everything properly. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Check for salt and add if required. We added another quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Once the masala liquid or gravy gets a nice boil, add the fried fish. Add the masala gravy on the fish.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once done, cover and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the pan, turn the fish carefully and then add the masala liquid on top of the fish. Once done, cover and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes more. After around 2 to 3 minutes, open the pan and put the heat off. Delicious fish masala fry is ready. Enjoy it hot with rice, or you can also enjoy it with chapati, roti or bread. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.